Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Assessment Rock while auto sale. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will deal for this complete course. I will do your R simulation training, R simulation exam, R assignments, capstone, cap assessment, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. So I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, and many more online courses. Please let me know if you need help in any course. So we will go to my lab at Pearson, go to Excel chapter 4, cumulative assessment rock while auto sales. We will download this file in our PC, click on continue button. So we will click on download material button, click on download all file button. All files will be downloaded in our PC download folder. We will open first our instruction file, then we will open. Okay, title of assignment is Exp22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative assessment auto sale. This is the title of assignment. I have increased the font size of this title and highlight for a proper view in my video. So we will moving on question instruction. We will select this complete instruction and increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. So we will moving on question number 1. Okay, question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel chapter 4 cumulative assessment auto sales. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Okay, basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from my Library PSN dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my PSN portal. I am going to opening my Excel workbook right now. So click on enable reading button. So we're moving on question number 2. In question number 2, convert the data to a table, name the table inventory and apply the gold table style medium 19. Basically this question, first we will convert the data to a table. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook, go to the insert tab, and in the tables group click on table button, click on OK. This data will be converted into a table, so we will have to assign the name of table as inventory. We will copy this name and we will have to assign the name of this table inventory. In the table design tab in the properties group, click on table name box and we will assign the name inventory, press enter. So the next is that and apply the gold table style medium 19. We will go to the table design tab. In the table style group we will go to medium and apply gold table style medium 19. Okay, so the next question is question number 3. We will in question number 3 we will remove the duplicates record. We will go to our Excel workbook. In the tools group click on remove duplicates button. So click on OK. 3 duplicates value found and remove 100 unique values remain. Note that counts may include empty cells. Click on OK button. So the next question is question number 4. In question number 4, sort the table by make in alphabetical order and a second label to sort by year smallest to largest and third label to sort by sticker price to smallest to largest. Basically in this question we will sort the table by make in alphabetical order. We will go to the home tab, go to first home tab. In the editing group click on find and sort and filter button. In the editing group click on sort and filter button, click on custom sort. The first label is that make First level is make in alphabetical order. Add a second level to sort by year smallest to largest. Okay, add a second level year smallest to largest. So the last is that, and third level to sort by sticker price smallest to largest. Third level is sticker price. Add level. The level third is sticker price is smallest to largest. Click on OK button. This table will be sorted. So the next is that repeat the field names on all pages. Okay. Repeat the field names on all pages. We will go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group, we will go to sheets. Row to repeat the top is select row 1 and click on OK button. So this is done, and again we will go to page setup, go to sheet and click on OK button. This is good. The next question is question number 6. In question number 6, change page break so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page using the tools located on the page layout tab in the page setup group. Okay, change page break so each vehicle make is printed on a separate page. We will go to the view tab in the page setup group, click on page break preview. So we will separate each vehicle. First is BMW. So second is okay. You can see I am insert a page break for each vehicle. Go to the page layout tab in the brace, click on insert page break button. So the next vehicle is Civic. Okay, we will select click on Prius. Under Civic, click on Prius and go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group, click on break button and click on page break, insert page break. So the last, okay, this is good. I have inserted a page break for each vehicle, Prius, Civic and all. Question number 7 is that add a footer with your name on the left side, the sheet name code in the center and the file name code on the right side using in the page setup dialog box located on the page layout tab. The first is that basically in this question we will have to add a footer with your name on the left side. We will go to our Excel workbook in the page layout tab. In the page setup group, we will go to the header and footer, click on custom footer. So your name on the left side, the sheet name code in the center. Name is left side. Okay, Hassan is the name and sheet code in the center, and the file name code on the right side of using sheet code in the center and file name code on the right section. Click on OK button, again click on OK button. So the next is that setup dialog box located in the page break layout tabs. This is good. Now moving on question number 8. In question number 8, freeze the first row on the flat information worksheet. We will go to the go to the view tab. In the window group, click on freeze button, freeze pane button, click on freeze top row. So first row will be frozen. So we will moving on question number 9. In question number 9, click the navigation to the sales information worksheet and convert the data to a table. Name the table sales and apply the green table style dark 11. Okay. Click the navigation to sales information worksheet. We will go to the sales information worksheet and go to the convert the data to a table. We will assign the name of table. First we will go to the insert tab in the tables group, click on table button and click on OK. This data will be converted into a table, so we will assign the name of table to a sales. We will go to the table design tab. In the properties group, click on table name box and we will assign the name of table to sales. So the next is that, and apply the green table style dark 11, and we will go to table style and go to the dark green table style dark 11. So the question number 10 is that type hash of sticker in cell E11. We will copy this hash of sticker and we will go to cell E1. Sorry, we will go to cell E1 and we will enter hash of sticker in the formula bar. Okay. So we will moving on question number 11. In question number 11, create a formula with structure. Okay, total question of this assignment is 20. I just show you 10 question of this assignment in my video, but I have done this complete assignment for my student. If you need help in this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me and we will deal for this complete course. I will do each and everything, our simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much. Okay, I just show you some question, but I have done this complete assignment. Now I am going to submit this assignment on my laboratory Pearson portal, and I will show my grade which I have got in this assignment. You can see I have done this complete assignment. You can focus on my laptop screen and you can see which I have done this assignment for my student. Now I am going to submit this assignment on my laboratory Pearson portal. I am going to saving this file first in my desktop folder. So I will upload on my laboratory Pearson portal. Okay, click on upload button.